Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
If you're new here, my name is Glory Moyos. I'm a new content creator. I'm trying this whole thing out, okay? So if you like lifestyle content to do with marriage, couples, you're in the right place. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, okay? So it's another weekend, and I've been off at work for certain reasons, so we just thought of, the weather is so beautiful today, so we just thought of going out and just have a chill day. It's like sort of like a picnic vibe. So that's what we're doing today. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. Yeah, tag along. You're part of the family now. I'm going uphill, guys. Haven't done a leg workout in a long time. Have you? Have you done a leg workout?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When did Villa see a gym door? When?
Yesterday.
Right.
You know, my work requires physicality.
My thighs are burning already. Like, we've got refreshments in there, so we'll take it when we're going to set up. Otherwise, we're gonna be tired carrying the bag. This is the car park. So we are going up there. Already my thighs are burning. And then afterwards, see the water there? There's a much nicer view up there, so we'll go there after we're done. Beautiful. It's packed here, guys. But, well, that's part of the experience, isn't it? Oh, there are queues, eh? Let's go and check out.
Yeah. Don't forget the way we came in.
There we go. There's the ice cream hut. And I bet it's expensive. I'm telling you. It's not just your random ice cream you get when we're home. Alright, guys, let's get some ice cream. As you can see, the queue. Yep. We got ice cream. Oh. The ice cream kiss. You remember what happened last time? You took the whole ice cream. So I'm not doing that with you again.
The concept happens is to go down there.
Yeah.
Is to go down there and spend your food.
Hey?
You're going down there.
Yeah.
To the beach. Then to the Salambita, then come back again, going that way.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. How's your ice cream? Hey, guys. We've made it to the bottom. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how that is. Look at this beauty. It's so gorgeous. There are people down there as well. If we had taken our bag, we could have maybe gone there. But anyway, it's so nice. So beautiful.
too far, okay? Just stand where you are. Okay, not too far, okay?
So when we were deciding if we should come down here, we were literally up there. Yeah. Happy is taking pictures at the moment. It's so gorgeous.
Hey, babe.
What do you want to ask me? Before you ask me, I know.
How is it going?
I feel I struggled getting up from there.
Oh, there.
It was intense. But I made it though.
You made it, my life.
I almost took a break, but I did not.
Your dirty feet.
No, I almost wore trainers. But look now. It's not too bad. It's not too bad though. I'll just dust myself up. So are we going back up?
We're going back up by this road, guys. Come on, let's go with us.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go, mama. Seven again. I say yeah. Like and subscribe, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you open, please?
All right. It's opened. Now you close like that.
We have to close the gate because apparently there are cows up there. So we have to shut the gate. That's what you need. Yeah. Look at that view. We're going to the other side, guys. So tired. So tired. Babe, look. There are pies over here. And they smell so good, Sana. They remind me of Hie Phyllis. Let's check the price. But you know they're expensive. Let's see their menu.
Don't think about.
You want me to explode?
Let's explode.
Look how yummy they look, guys. The camera is not doing justice. There, babe. I told you, Kesana. 550. But it's worth it, they're big. Let's see. They're nice. Ona guys, chibaba. Chibaba moyo. Kachibabs. Mamoyo anopika. Guys, mamoyo anopika. Look at my man. Kachibaba. Kachibabs, what do you have to say for yourself? You are well fit, my